Okay, here we have example 16. So example 16 shows the curve y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so basically for this question, we will be a revisitation of all the concept that we have touched on for differentiation and integration and what have you. The only thing is that at the end, okay, what I need to do is to actually find, okay, the shaded region. So what we need to do is to actually find the area bounded by the curve, okay, and the x-axis from 3 to 5, minus away the area of the triangle itself. Then we can get the shaded region. Go and think about it, right? Why can I not use, right, equation of the curve? Why I cannot use equation of curve minus equation of the line, then I integrate from 3 to 5. Why is that not permissible? Why is it in this case I definitely have to use the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis minus away the area of the triangle itself, so I can get the thing. Why can't just minus the two equations first, like what we have thought, and just get and then integrate, right, from the limits 3 to 5? Think about it, okay? If you can, you're able to answer this, I think you're quite clear about what's going on here. Okay, now for example 16 itself, first I find the equation of the tangent. So to get equation of tangent, what I will require is the gradient of RP itself. So I differentiate this curve itself, okay, the curve, the function. So what I get is 2x minus 2. I sub the value of x equals to 5 at this part for the tangent. Okay, gradient is equals to 8. So I will still need, okay, a pair of coordinates so I can find the equation of RP. So I will sub in x equals to 5 into my equation of my curve. I get y equals to 12. Hence, the coordinates of P is 5 and 12. Now, at the point R is lies along the x-axis, hence the y value is equals to 0. I sub in, okay, what we know, 8x minus 28, the equation of tangent. So I find that my x value is 3.5, the y value is 0. Now, last part here. So last part, remember what I asked you just now. Why is it I cannot take this, okay? So the wrong thing to do here is I take this minus this, the curve above the line, dx. This will give me the wrong answer, okay? Why? Okay, if not, okay, I'll give you the correct answer itself. I integrate from 3 to 5, okay, for the curve itself. So what I'll get here is 1/3 x cubed minus x squared minus 3x, and the limits run from 3 to 5 itself. So what I'll get here is 10 and 2/3 units. Okay, now the next part here is to find the area of my triangle. So the area of triangle here is 12 units in height. Here is 1.5 units in the base. So the area of triangle is equals to half times base, which is 1.5, times my height, which is 12. So what we'll get here is 9 units square. Hence, the shaded region is equals to 10 and 2/3 minus 9 units square. What I'm left is 1 and 2/3 units square. Okay? Now, your turn, try 16 itself, and then this will conclude, right, chapter 17 itself. Okay, first is to find the equation of the tangent, same as what I did just now. Okay, I differentiate, okay, the function, okay, with respect to x. I get 2x, the gradient function. I put in x equals to 3. My y value is 8. So the gradient of tangent is 6. Okay, so basically what I've done here is I found the coordinates of P is 3, 8. I found that the gradient of this line here is equals to 6. So using 6 and 3, 8, I can find the equation of this tangent. So I just apply this. So basically it's y minus 8, x minus 3 equals to 6. I get y equals to 6x minus 10. Similarly, at R, okay, the x-axis y equals to 0, x equals to 1, and 2/3 itself. So lastly, what I need to do for this question is this. I need to integrate x squared minus 1, okay, from q to 3 itself, okay. So now, okay, at q, my y value is equals to 0 itself. So if my y value is 0, to find q, I find that x value here is equals to 1. So basically at q, okay, my x value is equals to 1. So I need to integrate the curve, okay, from 1 to 3 itself, which is represented by this portion here. Then here, what I have is the area of the triangle. Okay, again, same question I asked. Why is it that this is the wrong thing to do? Why is it I cannot take x squared minus 1 minus the area minus the line itself, 6 minus 10 dx? This will yield the wrong result. Why? Okay, so if you have done the integration correctly for x squared minus 1, the limits are 3 to 1. This is the area of this triangle here, which gives you 16 over 3. Eventually, your area is 1 and 1/3 unit square. And that's it for 17.3.